brakes on, but these not even the brakes. So this is like a follow-up review. I think these headlights are better because for one, they're cheaper. They're like 150, 60 bucks or whatever, opposed to the Spec D headlights, which are like $230 some dollars. I think it was like 260 something. I don't know, it was 200 and something when I bought them. When I first got the Spec D headlights, that was over 200 bucks. I know that for sure. And the visual on these are a lot better. They're better. They're even better than my OEM stock headlights. And this is with just the regular, probably bullshit bulbs that they send in it, and the lights itself. So I haven't even changed the light bulb out yet to put a better bulb in here. And yeah, it's fuck. These lights are bright, man. Like they're way better than Spec D. Spec D, man. I could have my brights on right now, and it wouldn't even be nowhere near as bright as this. So, in my opinion, these lights are better. And not to mention, they actually look. I think I mean, they don't look bad. But I think the only reason the Spec D headlights, people are gonna say they look better, is because of the purplish looking LED that it has. And this one has a solid white bar, which I seen a video of a guy. He changed his bar, you know, to different colors and shit. But I'm not going through all that work to put my headlight in the oven and do all that crazy stuff. I mean, changing the headlight, changing the LED light bar is not that important to me to do all that. So I mean, you know, it's personal preference. Me, I don't feel like going through all that work just to change the color of my lights. But it's neither here or there. These lights are definitely bright. And this is just a little video, just to maybe give some people that's maybe interested in buying these lights just a little visual of what they look like. So, also, I have I'll be making other videos. I ordered oh shit, these fucking roads, dude. This is fucking ridiculous. See, Ohio, man, y'all need to fix y'all's fucking roads. This shit is, pay all this fucking money in taxes, but y'all's fucking roads suck. Anyway, what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. So I ordered my Texas Speed DOD delete kit. It comes with a ls9 camshaft, ls6 springs, valley tray, all sorts of stuff like that. So once I get that kit, I'll do an unboxing video, and you know, I'll kind of just show some of the different components, whatever. And then hopefully by the summertime, or maybe before the summertime, I can have all this stuff installed and have it running like a beast. So that's my goal. That's what I'm working towards, getting all this stuff together and installed. I still have to install my damn intake manifold, which I have everything I need to install it. It's just the weather's been kind of cold here, and I'm not trying to freeze my nuts off outside working on my car. So I'm just kind of waiting on a little bit of a warm weather break, and then I'm gonna jump right in and put her on. So I got that. What else left to do? I still have to do I have to do also I got to do the headers and my exhaust. I found a place to order the whole exhaust. You just have to just buy your resonator and your mufflers. And that the pipe, it was like 3-inch piping for only like $200 or some dollars. It was the whole exact fit of what you would need to install on the car without the mufflers and the resonator. So I'm going to order that from Mandrill. I think it's Mandrill Exhaust or something like that. And then I'm going to buy my OBX eBay headers. I've seen some for like $4 something, and from between $400 to $600. I've seen some. So I'm going to order those, and then have all that shit have all that stuff on my car. So when all said and done, I should have different cam in, better springs, ls4 lifters. So pretty much, you know, the whole DOD is going to be delete. I won't have the lifter problem with the OEM lifters that come in the ls4 engine when they end up going bad, and then you have the lifter tap. So my car doesn't show any signs of the lifter tap yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and change all that shit out before. I'm sorry if I was holding the camera sideways. I'm just driving and talking. Yeah, I want to change all that stuff out, man, before I even have a problem. I don't want to be. I mean, that's just embarrassing, man. You start your car up and your damn car sound like a damn pressure cooker or some shit. So, yeah, I'm not trying to go through that. But, yeah, so I got all that coming up. You know, shit takes time and money, which I got most of the stuff already. So, you know, I just got to get it installed on the car. And, like I said, once I get all the stuff together, we'll keep posting videos. And, you know, y'all just keep liking and subscribing and watching the videos, and I'm going to keep making more videos. And especially this summer, once Test and Tune opens, and I start taking it to the track after I added some additional mods. Because last year, my fastest pass, my first pass, man, when I first took it to the track for the first time, my first pass was horrible. I ran like I think it was like a 15.2, and this is because I didn't know. I had to. Well, I'm still running the Diablo tune, but I was running the basically a stock tune. I didn't even have the Diablo tune on it. So then a couple days later, I went to the. You know, I was messing with the tune and all that. I went to Test and Tune, and I ran a 14.6. And so then, you know, I was messing with the tune some more. And I put on the 93 octane DO Delete Diablo tune, and I ran a 14 flat. So roughly right now, that's without, you know, most people take out a headlight, they take out a seat, some shit like that to get in the 13s. That's with tools in the back, jacks in the back of my in the back of my trunk, you know, my work shit in the car. Like, I didn't take out nothing out of my car. I didn't remove my headlight, my left headlight, you know, to get better air circulation or whatever. So I didn't do none of that stuff. So this summer, once I get some mods, I'm gonna remove the headlight, do a couple other things. Maybe muffler deletes as well, and we'll see, you know, how far in the 13s we can drop down. But I'm gonna keep working on this car, keep working on it, man, because I'm gonna get it in the low 12s, hopefully before I have to put some turbo on it, before I have to turbo it. So I don't know, but that's way down the line. I don't want to jump too far ahead. But that's just some of the stuff I got coming up. Like I said, just stay in tune. And I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Like I said, just keep liking, subscribing, keep watching. And the more these videos get watched, the more I know that, okay, you want me to make more videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a little sound clip. Hopefully you can hear the engine inside of the car. But I don't know how loud it is on the camera. So inside the car with me just sitting in here is loud. It's loud as hell. But if I talk regular, it's gonna just drown me out. So I have to speak up if I talk above it. But anyway, that's the video, man. I'm gonna get off here. I'll catch y'all on the next one.